Okay, so today is December 25. It's Christmas Day. Yay!
Yeah!
And now Baby Tish has gifts. How many? How many gifts do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, 5 gifts! And now she will open the gifts. Yay! Before you open the gifts, you have to read from whom it is, okay? Okay, which one do you want to open first? This one. Now let's see. Wow, it's a big gift. Can you read what it says, baby? To whom it is?
To eat.
B.
Bab. Yeah, baby.
Baby or baby?
Baby.
Baby.
To eat this.
Very good. Okay, you can open it. Open it now. Sige, you can share it.
What's inside the mommy?
I don't know.
Wow.
What do you think? So hard to open, oy.
What's inside, mommy?
What's inside? Ugh. Okay.
It's my helmet, mommy. Yes, my helmet.
Okay, yun get it.
The helmet is the best.
The helmet is the best. Wow.
It's my helmet.
Yay.
My helmet taku.
Wow. From who was this, baby? Who gave this to you?
Mommy.
Yay! Alright, next gift.
Okay.
Which one? That one? Do you want that one?
Yes.
Say, wait lang. Oops, wala pa ikaw nag-read. You did not read it yet.
Holy, yeah, holiday, yeah, holiday.
Holidays. Two.
Two. Yeah, baby, yeah, this.
Si Baby Tish from whom?
Oh, mom. Yeah,
Mom, yeah?
mom, yeah.
Is that Mom, yeah?
Yes,
It's Mommy, oy?
mom, yeah.
Sige, open.
Okay. What's inside?
I don't know. Secret.
Yay!
Open.
Wait, huh? Wow, it's a pumpkin!
Wow. Let's open.
Second. Yay!
Pull over here. Pull, didi. Pull this one here. Pull. Pull here. Didi. This one. This side. Pull. Pull this one. Sige, pull apart. There, good.
Yay!
What are those, baby?
Shocking! Adi nahulog.
Hindi na nahulog. Wow, baby.
Wow!
Shopkins.
Look, mommy.
What is that?
There are shoes.
Okay.
And why is this, mommy?
I don't know.
And
Is it chocolate?
chocolate.
Okay, next gift now.
Mommy, look, mommy.
Wow, what is that?
It's again, mommy. It's again.
Mm-mm.
Scissors. Why do you want two scissors?
Yeah. Okay, this one now. Which one? Pick one, baby. Pick one. Which one?
This one.
Diri, on gift. We'll open another gift. Come on.
Okay.
Which one?
The first strawberry.
Yeah. That is from. Let's see if there is writing. There is no writing. But this came from either Ate Kulay or Kuya Kulat.
Kuya Kulat.
Okay, you can open it.
Okay.
Over here, baby.
Who is that thing inside?
I don't know. Open.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah. Wow, that is so pretty. Wow.
Where's my helmet, mommy?
It's down. Adila ubos. Adila ubos. Baby, open. Wow. It's a shape bucket. Wow. Wow, so nice. Okay, another one. This one came from Ate Kulay.
Yes!
This one. It doesn't say anything, but this came from Ate Kulay. Okay. Open the gift. Over here, baby. Didi, pag-open. Sige, Didi. Ah! Dali, pull.
Wow!
Oh, baby.
It's like
Wow.
my toy, mommy.
That is so pretty. Wow.
Ooh, it's a kitchen.
Yeah.
And some
Wow.
more.
This is the last one. This is also from baby Tish from mommy.
Hey, what happened to the last napkin?
It's fine, baby. Later, you'll get it later. This one first, dali, open. Anywhere, you can just tear the wrapper. It's okay. Over here, baby, Didi. Didi, yun daw, baliktad. Sige, tear it.
Is hello?
What is that?
It's a kitty cat with it. It's locked. Wow.
Yeah, what is that?
It's a kitty cat house.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Alright. Okay, let's put all the toys together, okay? Well, how many gifts do you have?
Why is this my way? Mommy.
Which one is your favorite, baby? Which one is your favorite?
I have a toy.
Baby Tish. Which is your favorite? Which one? Among your toys, which one is your favorite?
This one.
Huh?
This one birthday.
You like the Shopkins?
Look. Hey, I have this one.
Yay! Uy, what do you say, baby? What do you say to the people who gave you gifts, baby? What do you say?
Thank you.
Yay! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.